Hey there, I'm Shannon, and it is time for some new hair. Except I can't grow my own these days, so I had to reach out to my good friends at the company WIGSHE'S, and they sent me this beautiful white blonde wig with a gorgeous HD lace. I am stoked to do some alternative styles on this today, as always, but I feel like lately I've been doing a lot of throwbacks to my good old scene queen days, like the green and black, so let's do something a little bit more 2023. Today we are going to be doing red and dark brown skunk highlights. I've seen this trend all over TikTok and it is something I have been dying to try, as well as this color combination. So without any further ado, let's get right into the sectioning. I'm actually going to take a little bit more time on this than any other videos that I've personally seen on the internet because I feel like this is the most important part of the look. We're gonna start with 3 horizontal sections from top to bottom, all equal thickness, and then the top section is really where we're gonna get to work, ladies. We are gonna section this into 9 separate vertical sections. 8 of these sections are gonna be straight across from each other, so 4 on either side, and then 1 right in the middle on the back. I'll let you guys check this out. If you want to follow along at home, as I know a lot of you guys love to, and you don't want to do this on your own hair, you can also get your very own stunning WIGSHE wig for 10% off using my code HEYTHERE. Make sure you follow the link in the description, and like I said, use my code HEYTHERE at checkout for 10% off. Thank you so much to WIGSHE for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into the dyeing. So for the red sections, I'm going to be using 2 different Arctic Fox reds. I'm mixing together their colors Wrath and Poison, and it makes this just absolutely beautiful, bright, like vampire blood red. Bear with me as I get going here in the beginning. I, for some reason, forgot how to dye hair and didn't do any sectioning at first, but we get with the groove in a second. I figure my shit out in a second here.
Just a quick fix, thought I was the one to fix this. We need something stronger, we need it stronger.
Woo, that color is scrumptious. Oh my god, I love it. Again, bear with me here. This is very, very amateur of me, but that's how we've always been on this channel, so don't expect any different anytime in the near future. We're gonna fucking tinfoil this bitch in the least professional way possible. Just make sure you do not get any of the natural brown dye on that red part. That's gonna be very important in this. I'm also, right now, we're sticking with the red. We want to do the red first, because that way we'll leave the red dye on while we're doing the natural dark brown, and hopefully that prevents any bleeding. So I'm going to cover the middle section that's eventually going to be brown with the tinfoil as well, and get to work on these smaller sections, starting with the red, like I said. And I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. What the fuck?
They all say that I look better. Another day, another bill. But my sinner blood keeps growing thinner. This might be something I can't help. Little by little
quality and the texture of the hair on this wig was absolutely perfect for coloring. All of the dye absorbed beautifully, chef's kiss at the end of this. However, this wig is very thick, which we love, but it takes just a little bit of extra work to make sure all of the dye goes through, especially at the roots. We can already see these beautiful skunk highlights taking shape even before we move into the dark brown stage here. I can't remember the exact color, but we are using a dark natural brown from Ion, and I'm going to be mixing that cream color with a 10 volume developer. I'm definitely being super careful in this stage to make sure I'm not getting any of this brown on the red, because I want to make sure these sections are clean. More than anything else in this hairstyle, that's the most important thing, keeping these top sections clean. I say as I look like Mr. Clean, LOL. The brown color took me a very long time to apply, so at the end here I'm only going to let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it out, starting with the brown and then the red. The red could stay on as long as you like. But here she is. Oh my god, the results are in, and I am in fucking love, god damn it! Sorry guys, I seriously love this. I never thought I would like red on myself like I do, especially since I'm a green girl, but this is blowing my mind. I'm in love with the way this looks on myself, even before it's styled. It's a little bit thick though, so I'm gonna go ahead and frame my face, do a little bit of choppy bangs at the front because we're still emo even though we're adults now. And I'm also gonna do some very light layering because this wig is super thick. And the results are in! Da 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 da! I love this so much. Skunk highlights are a trend you have to try. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you liked the way this wig came out, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment about what you thought, what I could do better. I really don't care. It all helps me out in the algorithm and it means a ton. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you do that. Make sure you check me out on social media. And other than that, I will be back soon with a new video. And hopefully also some streaming. I love you guys so much, and I have to give some extra special love to my Shan fam members, now more than ever, for sticking by me when I had my little leave of absence last month. But I want to give a huge thank you to all of them, and especially my VIP members, which include Johnny Socket, K-Pop Fam, Samantha, Nay Alyssa, Emerson, Eric Reckless, Star Harris, Carter Quinn, Hellfire Strike, Karina Capucci, and Freddie Bud. I love you guys to death, and I will see you all very soon.
Don't let him win.